In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watermark using Canva. Whether you're a content creator or a small business owner, understanding how to watermark your images can be invaluable for protecting your work. Let's dive right in. To start, head over to canva.com. If you haven't already signed up, you can easily register using your Google or Facebook account or by entering your email address. If you're already registered, simply click the login button located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself in the Canva dashboard, which is your central command center for creating and managing all your designs. Next, to watermark an image, the first step is to create or upload your watermark. If you already have a logo or specific design you wish to use, you can upload it directly by clicking on the Uploads tab. Alternatively, if you are creating a new watermark, click on Text from the left panel of the workspace. Then select Add a Heading. This is where you'll type out any text you want to include in your watermark, such as your name or brand. Now, once you have your text or logo, it's time to adjust its size to fit the image. You can do this simply by dragging the corners of the watermark until it's at the desired size. Remember, the goal is to make your watermark noticeable yet unobtrusive, so it doesn't overpower the main content of your image. After resizing, drag your watermark to its desired location on your image. Common placements include the bottom corners or across the center, depending on your preference and the type of image you're working with. It's important to strategically place your watermark so it's hard to crop out by others who might reuse your work without permission. Then, to make your watermark subtle yet effective, use the transparency tool. You'll find this tool in the top right toolbar, represented by a checkerboard icon. Adjust the transparency level to make your watermark blend seamlessly with your image. You want it to be visible enough to deter unauthorized use, but subtle enough that it doesn't distract from your content. Lastly, if you've opted for a text watermark, this is a good time to tweak the font style, size, and color. You want your watermark to be legible and complementary to the image's aesthetic. Try different font styles and colors to see what works best for your brand's look and feel. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to create a professional looking watermark using Canva. With these skills, you can now confidently protect and brand all of your visual content. Thanks for joining me, and happy designing.